Hello everyone, today I will show you how to duplicate or copy a fillable text box in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open our PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and I will duplicate this fillable text box. Now click on this form option and here you will find this select field option and drag your mouse cursor. You can select multiple one or a specific one and this is selected. Now press right button for your mouse cursor and select edit option and here you will find this copy option. Now press Ctrl B for your keyboard and see this one now duplicated. See this. Also duplicate this two of this field. Now press right button and select copy and press Ctrl V and see this. This two of this now copy and duplicate it. In this way you can duplicate your fillable text boxes on your PDF file. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.